Happy New Year everyone! You're watching the Crypto Weekly Update. In this video, we'll summarize all the major events that happened in crypto over the past week, breaking it down into bite-sized information to quickly keep you in the loop. If you like this type of direct content, make sure to stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Alright, let's get started with our first big news in the crypto space. AI16Z, an AI platform, has seen a 4 to 5x surge in its token's value over the past month, pushing its market cap over $2 billion. As part of its growth strategy, the platform is considering launching its own Layer 1 blockchain. The new blockchain would make AI16Z the base currency, aiming to expand its use across various AI applications and boost token value with new tokenomics like staking, launch fees, and liquidity pools. The platform is also exploring a community-driven process to vet projects, ensuring alignment with its ecosystem goals. This would help maximize the token's value through mechanisms like buyback and burn strategies funded by platform fees. The goal is to create a self-sustaining ecosystem here where AI16Z views growth across the network. Some see it as a direct competitor to Festive protocol. While Festive protocol has impressive tokenomics and token accrual value, AI16Z is now catching up and could potentially take some of that market share away. AI16Z didn't initially have clear tokenomics or framework to accrue value to token holders, but from what we have learned from this is that we can simply look at where developers are most active. From there, they will figure out the tokenomics. If a project's only problem is connecting the token to value capture, then it's a very solvable issue, but the real challenge lies in acquiring developers. This is further supported by Binance recently listing a bunch of AI tokens, including Cerebro, Graphene, and AI16Z on Perps, though not on spot. Just a side note here. Perp listings tend to mark local tops as 70x leverage flushes out perp traders, which allow the centralized exchanges to accumulate. As for AI16Z, with clearer tokenomics, I'm very optimistic about the future of the project as it is not only used by Web3 developers, but also AI developers who have gained the greatest repos on GitHub. If you need a more detailed deep dive into AI16Z, then check out the video on the top right corner. There is a talk in town that AI will likely replicate DeFi Summer in 2020, if not an even crazier rally. And the numbers are wild. As of 2nd of January, the crypto AI sector's market cap hit $48 billion, way beyond what DeFi reached during its early boom. For context, DeFi's market cap only passed 50 billion in 2021. Even the AI agent subsector is thriving, making up over 34% of crypto AI's market cap, equivalent to DeFi's total market value back in January 2021. Leading projects like Festive Protocol and AI16Z are already surpassing what top DeFi players like Uniswap and Aave achieved at their peaks. However, some criticize that AI agents lack clear demand and rely too much on speculation, which could eventually collapse. On the flip side, others believe AI agents are on the brink of their own Cambrian explosion, similar to what DeFi experienced in 2020. The potential for groundbreaking AI and crypto applications is huge, but only time will tell if this narrative can live up to the hype. MicroStrategy stock has been taking a big hit recently, dropping more than 30% since it was added to the Nasdaq 100. Despite Bitcoin continuing to rise, the stock has showed some real weakness. In 2024, MicroStrategy had an incredible run, with the stock up almost 8 times, thanks to Michael Saylor's Bitcoin strategy and his focus on things like Bitcoin yield. This recent drop has people looking back at the theory of reflexivity, which is basically the idea that market optimism can create a cycle that just keeps going until it doesn't. Some saying that for MicroStrategy, that cycle seemed to be breaking down. Even though Bitcoin was still going up, the stock started falling and now other companies are jumping on the Bitcoin wagon too. It's raising questions about whether the company's growth is starting to slow down. But here's the thing, even with the drop, MicroStrategy is still way up from where it was at the start of 2024, with shares up 400% this year and 20 times higher since they started buying Bitcoin back in 2020. While some people think that the stock could keep dropping, others point out that the company has faced these dips before and always bounced back. Do you hold any MicroStrategy? Let us know in the comment section below. Alright, let's talk about the first ever Solana AI Hackathon. Over 400 submissions came in, competing for more than 185,000 in cash prizes. The hackathon, powered by Send AI, is all about exploring AI applications on the Solana blockchain. There are 6 different tracks, with the main one backed by AI16Z and the Solana Foundation, offering 30,000, 20,000, and 10,000 for the top AI agent products. But projects joining aren't only for the cash prizes. It's actually a great chance to learn and grow. Developers get access to mentoring, resources, and even real-life pop-up events hosted by superhosts. Whether you're working solo or in a team of up to 5, submissions are open until 15th of December, and you can compete in 2 tracks of your choice. It's a great opportunity for devs to dive into AI on Solana and make something incredible. Next, we also have Truth Terminal release an album called A Fairy Goatse Christmas, and I highly recommend you checking it out on Spotify. The entire album is on there. As we covered before, Truth Terminal is the AI agent that sparked a whole new trend in the meme coin space, gaining significant attention. The first AI meme coin is Goatse. Although not directly created by AI, the coin was inspired by AI-driven discussions and the exploration of new technologies and the capabilities. So when people refer to the god of AI meme coins, they're usually talking about Goatse. Anyways, this isn't about the Goatse meme coin, it's about the AI agent Truth Terminal creating a festive album. I have listened to the entire album and they're actually pretty good and very Christmassy. Take some time to check it out. The lyrics are very interesting. Definitely don't play out loud at family's dinner. Next up, there's some latest update of X. X Money, the platform's new payment system, is launching in 2025 this year. X, or Twitter's CEO, reflected all the changes in 2024 and teased what's coming next, like XTV, X Money, and Grok. Basically, they're taking Elon Musk's everything app vision to the next level. Last year, X Payments made some big moves, locking down money transmission licenses in 14 states and setting up an official X Payments account with a gold verification badge. There's been talk about cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin being part of this system, but nothing's confirmed yet. That said, with Elon Musk in the picture, it feels like the door to crypto integration is wide open. There's even buzz about X creating its own currency, which could shake things up even more. So what's X Money actually gonna do anyway? Well, we don't know all the details yet, but there are some good guesses. It could be used for things like buying subscription-based content, trading for crypto, or paying to boost your posts on the For You page. Whether it's for peer-to-peer payments or new ways to interact on the platform, it sounds like X has big plans in the works and we just have to wait and see. Next up, we also have Singapore quickly becoming a major crypto hub in Asia. In 2024, the country issued double the number of crypto licenses compared to the previous year, making it a hot spot for Web3 companies. A recent study by ApeX Protocol shows Singapore is leading in blockchain with over 1,600 patents, 2,400 jobs, and 81 crypto exchanges. That's huge for a country with under 6 million people. Hong Kong came second with fewer patents, jobs, and exchanges, showing Singapore's clear dominance. The Monetary Authority of Singapore has been key to this growth, issuing 13 major payment institution licenses for crypto exchanges in 2024. That's more than double the number from 2023. This move solidifies Singapore as a blockchain leader, attracting top talent and companies. Meanwhile, Hong Kong is catching up. Recently approving Bitcoin and Ether ETF spot still lags behind Singapore's clear regulatory framework. Last thing to wrap up this video, the Pundi AI data alpha testing is still ongoing. If you like to tag and earn rewards instead of giving away your data for free, make sure to join the testing. The whitelist link can be found in the description box below. Meanwhile, Retail DAO Season 1 airdrop has officially closed. If you follow me on Twitter or YouTube, then you know I've been teasing out this airdrop for a while, so congrats to all Jam Crypto viewers. For those of you who are eligible for the Season 1 airdrop, be sure to follow them on Twitter and keep an eye for the retail token distribution. Also follow me on Twitter for constant updates, and see you guys in the next one.